Assalamu alaikum first year and welcome to new class. Your syllabus of the English is here on the whiteboard. I want to discuss about your syllabus and the pattern paper first. Firstly, you should know about this thing that your book 1 that is consist of 15 chapters and the book 3rd that is consist of 20 poems and 3 plays. Then stories and letters, 15 stories and 15 letters, pair of words, at least 300 pair of words you will have to cover for that for the paper pattern. Total marks 100 and subjective paper of that will be of 80 marks. And in subjective paper, firstly you have to solve the question answers. Question answer first part will be of 12 marks, okay, and then your translation that will be of 15 marks. After that there will be the punctuation of 5 marks, then pair of words equal to 5 marks, and letters and stories will be of 20 marks, 10 marks. Then objective part of this paper that is of 20 marks, which is consist of 10. First part will be consist of at least 10 synonym similar words, and then the options, main word, then the options being MCQs, multiple choice questions. After that, the last portion of the objective part is suitable form of verb that will be in your grammar. The chapter number first, which is the lecture number first, button. Button is a device, okay. And firstly I want to discuss about the theme of this chapter. What is the theme of this chapter? What is the main idea, central idea of this chapter? You can say that the main object of this chapter, main motive of this chapter is murder of single person is the murder of the whole humanity. Or you can say that greed is curse, लालच बुरी बला है. किसी एक इंसान को कत्ल करना पूरी इंसानियत का कत्ल है, या ये कह सकते हैं आप कि लालच बुरी बला है. आप जब इस पूरे चैप्टर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे या जब इस चैप्टर में हम कैरेक्टर्स के थ्रू हम गुजरेंगे, तो जो आप इस चैप्टर के बारे में आपको पता चलता जाएगा, तो आपको इसका मॉरल लेसन या इसका थीम आपके जहन में आता जाएगा कि क्या ये चैप्टर इस थीम के ऊपर फुलफिल कर रहा है. क्या रियली जो है एक इंसान का कत्ल पूरी इंसानियत का कत्ल है, या लालच बुरी बला है. कैरेक्टर्स जो है, फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर इज मिस्टर आर्थर. He is the man of moral and he cares for the humanity. Then the next character is Norma. Norma is actually the wife of Mr. Arthur, but there is a contradiction between both of them about the ideas. Both have the changed views about the lifestyle. Both have the changed ideas. There is a contradiction. Norma is a greedy lady and she prefers the money more than humanity. She thinks that money is more important than humanity and she wants to improve her lifestyle by unfair means. She thinks that by getting the money she can also buy the happiness, and she thinks that money can change her lifestyle. The next character is the character of Mr. Stewart. Mr. Stewart, he is actually an agent of international organization and he is the third person between Norma and Mr. Arthur, and he is a salesman as well. कोई ना कोई चीज़ बेच रहा है. And he discuss about this button unit. He know very well about Norma, about Arthur, about their lifestyle, about their personal life. He knows that Mr. Arthur had the insurance policy and that is of $25, and when he will die, in case of death, his policy would be doubled into $50,000. So he convinced Norma, because he knew very well that Norma is a greedy lady and she can be tempted easily by Mr. Stewart. So Mr. Stewart time and again moves to Norma's house and he says to Norma that, would you like to buy the button? And she says that, what is the button unit and what is the effect of this button unit? And Mr. Stewart says that when you will push this button, someone in the world, someone would die, and in reward of you will get the $50,000. When someone will die and you will not come to know about that person that who have been died, and you will get the $50,000. Then Norma she tried to convince Mr. Arthur. She talks about this idea, but Mr. Arthur says that this is ill-mannered. This is ill-mannered way. This is the sick one. This is the bad one. Because for the money, would you like to murder someone, Norma? And Norma says that if we will get $50,000, then, and when you will murder a person, when you will push the button unit, someone in the world, when you will not come to know about that, then we should put the button unit. But Mr. Arthur says, no, Norma, this is bad one. This is the sick one. This is immoral activity. And Norma says that she wants to improve her lifestyle. She pursued Mr. Stewart by saying that if they will get $50,000, they would be enjoyed a trip to Europe. They will have the nicer apartment. They will have the nicer furniture as well, and they will be happy in a nicer house, in a big house. But Mr. Arthur again convinced Norma. He again advises Norma that we should not murder someone just for the money, because humanity, this is murder of single person will be the murder of humanity, and this is not a good idea. You should not think about this idea. Then Mr. Stewart when moves to Norma's house, and Norma says that she wants to buy the button. She wants to buy that device, and when she buys the device, and after that she pushes the button unit, in after half an hour she get a message that her husband died in a subway accident. When she picked up the call, someone was speaking from the hospital, Lenox Hill Hospital. The name of the hospital is Lenox Hill Hospital. Someone was speaking from that hospital by saying that your husband has died. He was speaking, actually he was Mr. Stewart. Mr. Stewart was speaking in a low voice, and he was saying to Norma that, do you think that you knew your husband? This is the last line of this chapter, and this is the satire, irony. मतलब उसने तंज किया है, नॉर्मा को एक तंज करता है। क्या आप हकीकत में ये समझती हैं? क्या आपका ये ख्याल है कि आप अपने हस्बैंड को जानती थी? डू यू थिंक दैट रियली यू न्यू योर हस्बैंड? ये उसने उसके ऊपर इसलिए तंज किया है, सटायर इसलिए किया है दैट व्हेन मिस्टर आर्थर सेज टू नॉर्मा दैट शी शुड नॉट पुश द बटन यूनिट, बट व्हेन नॉर्मा didn't care about her husband advice and she pushed the button unit, after that she lost her husband. So at the end Mr. Stewart says that you are not able to your husband, and he was laughing, he was in a loud voice, he was saying to Norma that you are a greedy lady. The next part is important words are similar words of this chapter. Button. The main words of this chapter, as we call them, synonym of this chapter, same words, similar words. Package. Package means parcel or a package. Then sealed. Sealed means someone which is tightly closed. Shut, packed, बंद किया हुआ. Repress. The word repress. Repress means suppress. किसी चीज को दबा देना. As in this chapter, Norma repressed her smile. वो अपनी मुस्कुराहट को दबा लेती है. Repress. That is called suppress. Then fasten. Fasten means attach. Fasten का मतलब होता है something which is fixed or attached. Then the next is eccentric. Eccentric means odd, strange. He talks about the eccentric idea. He says that that is someone eccentric, that is strange. Then the next word is shrugged. Shrugged means when author shrugged with Norma. Means we use this word for a selfish way, in a selfish way, to raise the shoulder when we are not interested in something. Then we say just like this. This is called shrug. Shuddered means कांप जाना, tremble. Shuddered means tremble, कांप जाना. Stumble. Norma went into the kitchen in stumbling way. Stumble means डगमगाना. Stagger. Okay. The next and the last word is whirl. Whirl means spin or circle. किसी चीज को घुमाना. This was your whole chapter which I have completed through the characters and the main words. So, if you have some question in your mind, you can raise the question, and I have also made the notes as well, and you may come in the college for them as well. And as we know that after completing the chapter, we have done some activity, we learn about the activity, and the activity of this chapter is exercise, and questions will be on your exercise on your book. You can consult the books as well, and main question, just like you can solve the question that describe the character of Mr. Arthur, or describe the character of Mr. Stewart, who was the steward. And you can also solve this question in your homes. This is your activity, that do you agree that murder of single person is the murder of humanity? This is the statement, and this is your assignment as well. Do you agree that a murder of single person is the murder of humanity? क्या एक इंसान का कत्ल इंसानियत का कत्ल है? और do you agree that greed is curse? According to this chapter, this is also a question that do you agree that happiness is more important than money? Okay? क्या आप सोचते हैं कि पैसों से ज़्यादा खुशी अहमियत रखती है, या पैसों से ज़्यादा खुशी की अहमियत है, या आप पैसों से खुशी खरीद सकते हैं? Can you buy the happiness by money? This is your assignment, this is your task at the end. And I hope so that you will learn by the books. You will consult your books for the chapter number first for this assignment. You will search the whole chapter. After that, you will be able to solve this assignment. That do you agree that a murder of single person is the murder of humanity, or do you agree that money is more important than happiness?